Hello everyone, my name is Convivial. If today na the first day where you come across this channel, make you try subscribe, like and share with people where you not say go still help. Ciao a tutti, mi chiamo Convivial. Per favore iscrivetevi sul mio canale, condividete e mettete like. Okay guys, before we start this video, I really need to appreciate each and every one of you where they watch my videos, where they compliment me for comment section, and the ones where they go even carry their time, call me for phone. Don't be say they won't even ask me question. No, not just to appreciate me and all the prayers when they pray for me, guys. If you continue to pray for me like this, I must make up for this life. Thank you so much. You people are amazing. I really appreciate. Okay. Today, what we want to talk about? Today we will talk about gender. Oggi parleremo di genere. Okay. What's it be gender? Gender is divided into feminine and masculine. If it be il genere può essere maschile e femminile. Okay. So, for instance, for English now, if I want to refer to small pikin now, where be say I feel say it dey cute, wetin I go talk? I go say the baby is cute, right? Okay. But for Italo, they finish, they go like that. Say their own must be different. For Italo, if you refer to baby girl, you need to put bambina. Okay? Then if you refer to baby boy, you need to put bambino. And the worst part of it, finish there. The adjective where you want to take on describe the bambino, now say they cute, that cute now. It needs to still get gender. For instance now, if I want to say the baby girl is cute, the baby is cute, but now baby girl they refer to, I need to say, la bambina è carina. La bambina, una si bambina, girl, è carina. It still finish with a, which is a for Italian language. Okay? Gender, not be this kind, only this kind area we see for many areas for Italian language. Okay, may we go straight to how they fit define gender. When we talk about gender, what we need come our mind? What you need come our mind now? Noun. Okay? For Italian language, what mean noun? Noun, nomi. Okay, maybe we'll go to the definition of noun. When I remember say for Nigeria at that time, we they use and they sing l'abbiamo imparato tutti come l'Ave Maria. We climb like the Hail Mary. That time we go, they use and they sing the noun is the name of person, animal, place, or things, right? Okay, now we want to talk about today now. Okay. Generally, for Italian language, if something finish with O, it be masculine, ovvero maschile in Italiano. If it finish with E, na feminine, ovvero femminile in Italiano. Okay? If you finish with O, na masculine, maschile. If you finish with E, na feminine, which is femminile. If you not remember for the alphabet, what I talk say be O. What I talk say be A. Okay? I nomi che finiscono in O sono maschile e quelli che finiscono in A sono femminili. Okay? Okay, maybe we'll go straight to the point. For instance, as I don't tell the rule now, if I say il tavolo, what do you say it belong to? Masculine or feminine? May I give you a small time to answer me? Not masculine, because it finish with O. If I can tell you now, la fragola, strawberry, what it be? Masculine or feminine? But I remember say it finish with A. Fragola. Na feminine, because it finish with A. Okay? Okay. May we make other instances. For example, if I talk, say, il frigorifero, na masculine or na feminine? Na masculine, because it finish with O. Finish con la O. Okay? If I talk, la tazza, what mean tazza? Cup where they drink this thing for in the morning. For example, milk. A tazza. If I tell you tazza, Wetin you go think say e be? Na masculine or na feminine? Na feminine because e finish with A. So na so they do am for Italian language. Anything when you see say e finish with O, na masculine. Anything when you see say e finish with A, na feminine. Wetin still dey help us na the article wey still dey front of the noun. Na e go still tell us whether na masculine or na feminine. But that one we go do am well. I go tell una to do that one for other videos. For now, may we concentrate on masculine or feminine. Okay. Another one be say some nouns still dey wey be say e dey finish with E or like A for Italian, right? That one fit be either masculine or feminine. Okay. May I still talk another thing? For instance, when I see all those things where they finish with sione or tione, tipo lezione, all those things now feminine. Televisione, all those things now feminine. For instance, too, when I know like the months of the year when I teach you now, tipo gennaio, febbraio, marzo, aprile, maggio, giugno, luglio, agosto, settembre, ottobre, novembre, dicembre. If you want to see like know more, you need to go back to the previous video when I don't do. Okay? Also with the days of the week. What be the days of the week? Lunedì, martedì, mercoledì. You know wetin I feel say we dey miss sometimes? That arrow where they put for their martedì, mercoledì. That arrow, we need to dey stress and we need to call everything. Okay, we don't need to dey command the arrow inside. The arrow dey inside. We need to stress that arrow. Martedì, mercoledì. Okay? Giovedì, venerdì, sabato. But what can happen here? Domenica non be masculine, na feminine. So, infatti, si dice la domenica, na feminine. Okay? Not be masculine like the other 7 days of the week. Okay? So, we need to like, una no say, I tell una say, generally, anyone will finish with O, na masculine. Anyone will finish with A, na feminine. But guys, they always happen like this. But the rule, it dey help for 99% of the times. Okay? That's so the rule be. But some words, some nouns, they say, they always work like that. Say, for instance, now, mano, no be maschile. When I say mano, na oite finisho. But in this case, no be maschile. La mano. You know why? Because for Italian grammatica, many exceptions they did. Ci sono delle eccezioni, okay? So now this one be the exceptions with the day inside. La mano. Il problema. Understand? Il problema na maschile. Even though problema finish with A, but it can't go sit on to maschile. Now all these ones be the exceptions with the day inside. You now understand? Okay? Okay. No, we'll back to this thing again. I need to really stress this thing. For instance, now, you remember I tell you, when I first start about how to differentiate whether I talk to man or woman. Say I can't tell you say, for instance, now if I say the baby girl they cute, the baby they cute. English go talk and say the baby they cute, but it don't go specify whether na baby boy that they talk about baby girl. If you use them for both, I can't tell you say for Italian language, they happen like that. If I want to talk to baby girl, it go be bambina. If I want to talk to baby boy, it go be bambino. Okay? La bambina è carina. Il bambino è carino. Una si? Carina. Because na bambina. Na istite finish the carina, the cute. But if I did refer to baby boy, it go come be carino. La ragazza. What you mean ragazza? Na girl. If I want to talk, say, this girl, they're very beautiful. Questa ragazza è molto bella. Bella. Because they refer to woman. But if I want to say the boy, they very handsome. Because il ragazzo è molto bello. Bello. Because I refer to, what do they call him? I refer to man. I know if you say il ragazzo è bella. Nah, ragazza è bella. Because na woman. Okay? And I say as it be. I know it's a little bit complicated, but no worry. We must learn this language by fire, by force. Okay? So make other instances. For example, the fridge full. Il frigo è pieno. The fridge don't dey full. Why it come be like say it dey pieno, not be piena? Because say il frigo na masculine. So the adjective when I come put inside now, what it be even be adjective now? What they describe the situation, right? If frigo è pieno, now because say il frigo na masculine, you come turn to pieno. Okay, una get am. That's what it be for Italian language. Okay, my people. For today, we don't come to the conclusion of this video. Mona, stay tuned. I get many other videos to do. Mona, they wait, like on Saturday, they always do live where they interact with each other. Mona come in many, maybe they talk, maybe they gist for Italian language. Okay, I love you guys. Like, you people are wonderful. Thank you so much. Bye.